In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Udemy app on your laptop. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your preferred web browser on your laptop. This could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any other browser you're comfortable with. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar at the top of the window and type in "How to download Udemy app on laptop." Then press Enter on your keyboard. You'll see a list of search results appear. Look for the official Udemy website or a trusted source that clearly explains how to access Udemy on a laptop. It's important to make sure you're on a legitimate site, so check that the address looks correct and that it mentions Udemy clearly. Avoid any suspicious links that offer unofficial downloads, as those can be unsafe. Now, here's an important point. On laptops and desktop computers, Udemy is usually accessed through the web rather than a traditional downloadable app, like you might see on a phone or tablet. That means, in most cases, you don't need to install a separate application at all. Instead, you simply use Udemy directly in your browser. On the official Udemy page, you'll typically see an option to log in or sign up. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in with your existing details. If you're new to Udemy, you can create an account right there on the website. Once you're signed in, you can search for courses, enroll, and start learning, all from your laptop browser. If your laptop runs Windows and you prefer an app-like experience, you can also check the Microsoft Store on your device. Open the Microsoft Store from your Start menu, type Udemy in the search bar, and see if an official Udemy app is available for your region and version of Windows. If it is, select it. Click the Install button and wait for the download to finish. After that, you'll find Udemy in your Start menu, and you can launch it just like any other program. To make things easier in the future, consider bookmarking the Udemy website in your browser, or pinning the app to your taskbar if you installed it from the store. That way, you can access your courses quickly with a single click. And that's all you need to download or effectively access the Udemy app experience on your laptop and start learning right away.